Welcome back, beauties. Today I am gonna go to Philly. Actually, I'm gonna go to King of Persia first, and then I'm heading to Philly, which is like right next door. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the mall over there, and then I want to go to the IKEA, which I haven't been to IKEA in a very long time. So I'm gonna go to the IKEA, and then I want to grab a bite in Philly. So see you when I get to the mall. So we finally made it to the mall. It took me an hour to drive, like an hour and 15 minutes, because I took the back roads because I was trying to be cheap and not pay for no tolls. But I'm walking in, so I need to put my mask on. So there's so much that I want to get, and the line here is definitely not worth it, but I wanted to check something out, and I did. So I'm going to order offline the things that I want, because I already see how they are and how they're gonna fit. So I'm gonna do that. And I have an idea. I'm doing the family's outfits this year for Easter, so look at these. These are so cute. Just be more you. That's the solution. So I'm so tired of these masks. So I couldn't get, well, I could have, but I chose not to because the lines were crazy long. So I was looking at fabric. I wanted to get some sweatpants and hoodies, but I learned a lesson today in regards to fabrics. So now I know the feel, the texture that I'm looking for, and I know where to get it. So I had to do an order online at ZARA's and at H&M. So I'm hoping to go to IKEA, but this one back here don't want to go. But we are gonna go and grab something to eat because we're hungry. Right, Pops? You hungry?
Yep.
So we're about to go. I think it's across the street. So we're about to go and do that. And then I'm gonna figure out what we're gonna do after. We came to Chili's. We came to Chili's. I'm gonna give me something to eat because I'm starving.
Ma'am, I'll be right back with your fixings and then your white queso, okay?
Okay. I didn't expect you to actually sizzle that. Look at my feet. Pizza got some. Pop's got some pizza and some mandarin.
Did you call me pizza?
Yes, I did. I'm too hungry. All the food is causing confusion. This steak look good. Guys, I made it, and I'm so excited. Leaving IKEA now. I did get a couple things from IKEA. exhausted. I'm tired. But I have done a lot of cleaning so far. Got my living room. Let me back up a little bit so you guys can see. Got my living room all done. Floors are swept and mopped. Got my kitchen done. I just mopped the floor before I put the runner in there. Still cleaning. I still got this part to do, which is a mess. But I'm getting there. I am exhausted. I'm so tired. I did a lot today. I cleaned, I washed clothes, I cooked. Try to get things ready for tomorrow because it's Sunday night. And I had a busy weekend. Yesterday I went to IKEA and I got in late. I got home I think around 9:30. So I was out in Philly for a long time. All day pretty much. Yeah, so I'm gonna go make me some tea, wash my face, and get ready for bed. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. So, with that being said, I appreciate if you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'm tired. Alright. Besitos.